If you are looking for a way to grow your hair naturally, if you're tired of dull, stunted hair growth, then I'm about to share with you a tea rinse that will transform your hair. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we'll need is hibiscus flower. Now hibiscus flower is rich in amino acid and vitamin C that helps to nourish the roots of our hair. It also acts as a natural conditioner, leaving your hair soft and manageable. Did you know that hibiscus flower also has antimicrobial properties that helps to soothe your scalp in case you're having like scalp issues or itchiness? Using hibiscus flower in a way that I'll show you in this video, or even as a tea spray, can help with that over time. So my second and last ingredient is rosemary. These two powerful ingredients surprisingly might be all your hair needs to grow beautifully and to even stop shedding. Now rosemary helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair growth. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties that helps to calm irritation. Rosemary helps to prevent hair loss and hair thinning. So I'm going to add like 1 tablespoon of rosemary to my hibiscus, and I'll pour drinking water, and then I'll bring it to a boil. Now after a few minutes of boiling in low heat, this is what my rosemary and hibiscus water looks like. The next thing I'm going to do now is to transfer it to a glass jar, because I'm going to be leaving it to sit for a few hours. Now I'm also going to be transferring the herbs back into the jar just so it will continue infusing. If you have much time, you can steep this overnight. It is perfect. But if you don't have enough time, you can just boil it the way that I did, but just allow it to sit for a few minutes or even an hour or so before using it on your hair. Okay, so I was making this particular batch for my friend, but then I decided to show you guys how I make it, because this is actually one of the tea that I've been using to darken my hair naturally. Alright, so after putting all the herbs, I'm just going to cover it and let it sit. Few hours later, this is what the rosemary water is looking like. So I'm going to strain it now, and it is ready to be used. Now you can choose to actually use this as a tea spray. It is perfect. In that way, you're not going to rinse it out. You'll just use it to like moisturize your hair and follow up with your hair cream and so. But in today's video, I am actually using it as a tea rinse. I've been using this as a tea rinse for a while now, and my hair has been benefiting richly from it. But here I am using it on my friend's hair. You could see she was feeling the sensation on her scalp. She was even like trying to scrub it. Anyway, after pouring the tea on her hair, we are going to allow it to dry a little bit. Then I'll follow up with deep conditioning. This is the best way that I love to use this tea rinse on my hair. I love to pour it on my hair, then follow up with my deep conditioner on top of the tea. Okay, then everything will sit for like 1 hour or less, depending on the conditioner that I'm using, before I will then wash it off. Another way that you can use it is to pour it on your hair when you're done, like a final tea rinse. That way you are done washing, shampooing, deep conditioning and all of that. Then pour it on your hair, cover your hair for a few minutes, and then just either follow up with your moisturizing routine or rinse it out. If I use it this way, I don't use to pour water again. I just follow up with my moisturizing routine after letting it sit for a while. And yeah, now if you use this consistently, not only will you experience minimal shedding, but you also notice that your hair strands gradually becomes thicker over time. Okay, alright guys, let me know what you think about this video. Will you be trying this tea rinse? I sincerely and honestly encourage you to. If you do, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY natural hair content such as this one. And with that, I'll see you guys in another video. Please take care of yourself. My name is Favor, and until I come your way next time, bye.